It's my first day here. Oh my god, I have hiccups already. And I need to show you. It's really pretty. It's really pretty outside. I need to show you. Yeah. Oh my god, it's really pretty. I'm just gonna get changed and get ready, and then yeah, we're gonna do stuff. I may change the outfit, but I think it's pretty cute. I think it's like pretty like summery. Okay, this is the bathroom then. Oops, I still have hiccups. I'm just gonna do my skincare and my makeup. We're leaving.
What the dog doing?
It's so pretty. Guys, the sound got deleted, but basically I was just saying we're going back to the beach again, and I've changed clothes yet again, and we're also gonna have some siesta. So yeah. Okay, it's just like shorts and a white shirt, and then I have my bikini, and yeah, whoops, I've gotten like a really good tan here. I'm so happy. Okay guys, I'm back from the water and we're going out for dinner now, so I have to get changed and do my makeup. So yeah, I think we can do that together. I got a new concealer and I got something else also, but I'm gonna try this now and we're gonna see if it's good. I've seen like that, yeah, that people really like this one. Okay, now my makeup is done. Let's do a quick fit change. Anyways, that's how I get like super duper glowy makeup, and yeah, I think it's like perfect for the summer because it's just like, it looks super natural, but you still glow, and there's still some blush, and there's still some bronzer, and you look like really cute. So yeah, now we're going out for dinner. This is my outfit up close. I'm gonna show you.